So this is a 3D printed adapter for a microscope. This is the eyepiece. It's already clamped in on this case, and this one's a 44 millimeter diameter eyepiece. I've got another one over here that's designed for 42 millimeter. There's another kind of eyepiece I have. So the way this works, the camera will sit down in there like that and be located by these pins here, and you can lock it in place. Usually I leave these bottom pins alone, and I just roll those down like that, and it locks it into place and keeps the phone from falling out. And as you can see, it's adjustable for a lot of different phones, whatever you might have. And there's also a relief here that I used a separate piece of plastic to form a shim or spacer, because there's a raised portion of the lens here, and it wouldn't set flush any other way. And so what I ended up doing, I'll show you on this one here, it's not assembled. There's actually two pieces involved. And so this is the shim, and I designed it so the flat side is printed on the glass. That's going to interface with the camera, so that it's a rough side to a smooth side like that. And once you get that in place there, you could silicone that or glue it, but there's really no need to, because once you start putting in the fasteners to clamp it together, and these are just threaded spacers here. Once you get those put in, it's going to hold the two pieces together just fine. And on the back here, this wing nut here, this adjusts the tension of the clamp on this lens. So when you first set it up, you can get that exactly where you want it, and then clamp the lens on, and then leave it that way. And this projection here, this is basically like an eyebrow that rests on the other lens beside it and keeps it horizontal while you're using it. So I'll show you on the microscope how it works and how it looks.